Okay, okay, Kim, what we're doing is I'm getting ready to shoot you a video of something new and very redneck that I'm playing with. It's called a potato cannon. It consists of a 14-inch, 4-inch PVC pipe with an adapter that goes down to 2-inch, and you can do your desired length for the barrel, which I'm showing you right now. I chose 2-inch. There's the adapter. And then you have a coupler on the end, okay, where you screw in a cap. Here the cap is to seal off the combustion chamber. What you do at that time is you take a potato like this, put it in the top. Now, as you can see, I've ground the top of the pipe to kind of sharpen it, okay? Then push the potato in. I'm doing this by myself. What we're going to do is stop it right now, and I'll advance and show you later.